Hey guys, welcome back to yet again another video in Dave Travels and Rides, and today we're gonna be out on a ride to M15 Workshop at BSD. So M15 is a workshop that specializes in many things, and one of them is adventure bike accessories such as crash bars and side box and top box panniers or mounts. So if you guys are looking to get a mount for your side box or top box, or a crash bar for your adventure bike, then this place is a recommendation for you guys, because I believe that the accessories in this place is one of the best in the city. So let's check it out.
Bisa pangangin.
Alrighty guys, so we just made it to M15 Workshop, and quick sneak peek right here on the CB500X. I've installed like the M15 crash bars and also the soft side bag mount, and as well as the top bag mount as well for the CB500X like a couple weeks ago. So next is going to be the XMAX 250, which we are going to install the crash bar and also the top box mount. And we accidentally met two fellow riders here at the M15 Workshop who are doing adventure accessories installment to their bikes as well. So really keen to meet these riders. They're super friendly, they're super nice, they're super approachable, and I hope you guys see this video. It will be amazing and you guys are in the vlog. So yes, fellow riders, salam dua toda. Alrighty, looks like the installment is done. The XMAX 250 looks meaner than ever, with the crash bar and the fog lamps on the crash bar, as well as the top box mount. I just can't imagine how cool it is to have the top box mounted and on tour. It's gonna look so epic. So after this, we're gonna head down to one of my dad's project. We're gonna go to Sumarekon, Gading Serpong. So we'll see you there, and hope you guys enjoy the B-roll.
Oke, lapar Papa Dev, ayo. Ayo. Dev.
Alrighty guys, so it's time for us to part ways once again. So thank you for watching the video till the end. And before you leave the video, please give the video a like if you do find it entertaining, and as well as subscribing to the channel if you want to support long term, and as well as click that notification bell if you like to be notified for my latest videos and new content on the channel. So thank you guys, and also consider following my Instagram at david.v.dati, and also my TikTok at David_tar for Dave Travels and Rides. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Salam dua roda.